The chilling dead internet theory claims that the web we know is not real, instead controlled by bots and artificial intelligence, stripping away human authenticity. However, upon closer examination, this theory crumbles under scrutiny. While bot activity may be on the rise, it does not diminish the enduring presence of human users shaping the digital landscape. The unique realm of human creativity and emotions remains irreplaceable, evading the grasp of AI-generated content. The internet, a dynamic and ever-evolving ecosystem, defies simplistic categorization. Rather than proclaiming its death, we must recognize the challenges and opportunities presented by its constant transformation. It remains a valuable resource, shaping our perceptions, interactions, and the very fabric of our society. Let us not succumb to fear, but embrace the changing landscape, where human ingenuity continues to illuminate the digital realm, and the heartbeat of the web resounds with life.